Okay, so looking at the first part of the review, it says find the number and type of solutions based on the value of the discriminant. So the discriminant is the part of the quadratic formula under the radical. All right, so if you have a positive number under the radical, that means you have two real solutions. All right, that means your function is going to cross the x-axis 2 times. All right, or it might look like this, where you have, but either way, it's got to cross twice. All right, because remember, it's always plus or minus whatever that number is. And so you have your axis of symmetry, and you have a solution to the right, and you have a solution to the left. One to the right and one to the left. So this would be two real solutions. Okay, the number would be 2, and the type is that they're going to be real. All right. Now, if the absolute value is 0, all right, and then I have plus or minus 0, well, that doesn't add a number to the right or to the left. So that means I'm actually going to be touching its tangent to the x-axis, all right? So it only crosses the x-axis one time. So I have that double root. All right, so that means I have one real solution. And it would actually be rational, because what you're going to have here would be minus b over 2a. And so let's make that one rational solution. It's real and rational. Okay, it's real, and not only that, but you can write it as a fraction. All right, and there's one of them. Okay, hopefully you can read that. And then the next thing is if it's a negative. All right, so under the square root you have a negative number. All right, and then that would be plus or minus. Well, anytime you have the square root of a negative number, that is going to equal I. All right, the square root of -1 is I. So that means you're going to have on your axis here, you have your x-axis, and that means that your function does not cross. It's either above or below. It does not cross the x-axis, so that means you have two imaginary solutions. All right, because there's no x-intercepts. All right? All right, very good.